Bank clerk. A bank clerk is a person who works in a bank. Their main job is to help customers with different banking services. Bank clerks handle money, answer questions, and make sure that the bank runs smoothly. This job requires attention to detail, good communication skills, and the ability to work with numbers. One of the main tasks of a bank clerk is to help customers when they come into the bank. Customers may need to deposit money into their accounts, withdraw cash, or transfer money to someone else. The bank clerk assists them by completing these transactions quickly and accurately. For example, when a customer wants to deposit money, the clerk counts the cash and enters the information into the bank's computer system. Another important duty of a bank clerk is to answer questions. Customers often have questions about their accounts, loans, or other bank services. The bank clerk needs to explain things in a clear and simple way. For example, if a customer asks about opening a new account, the clerk can explain the different types of accounts available and help them choose the best one for their needs. Bank clerks also handle paperwork. Every time a transaction is made, a record must be kept. Clerks are responsible for making sure that these records are accurate. They might also prepare documents for customers, such as bank statements, loan applications, or account summaries. These documents must be correct because even a small mistake can cause problems for the customer or the bank. One of the most important parts of a bank clerk's job is handling money. They work with cash, checks, and electronic payments. Bank clerks must be very careful when counting money and processing transactions. If there is a mistake, it could lead to a financial loss for the customer or the bank. That's why accuracy is key in this job. Bank clerks often use special machines to count money and check for counterfeit bills to make sure everything is correct. Bank clerks also help with loans. When a customer applies for a loan, the bank clerk may help them fill out the forms and gather the necessary documents. The clerk will check the application to make sure all the information is complete. They might also explain the loan terms to the customer, including the interest rate and the repayment schedule. Even though clerks don't make decisions about loans, they play an important role in the process by ensuring that everything is in order. Many bank clerks work at the front desk or teller window. This means they are the first person a customer sees when they enter the bank. Because of this, bank clerks must be friendly and polite. Good customer service is a big part of the job. Customers appreciate being greeted with a smile and getting help quickly. A positive attitude can make a big difference in how customers feel about the bank. In addition to working with customers in person, bank clerks may also help customers over the phone or through email. Some customers prefer to handle their banking from home, and the clerk's job is to assist them with their needs remotely. This might include answering questions, checking account balances, or helping with online banking services. Bank clerks need to be comfortable using computers and other technology to perform these tasks. Bank clerks also help with security. Banks must keep customer information and money safe. Clerks are trained to follow security procedures to protect the bank and its customers. For example, they might ask customers for identification before completing certain transactions, or they may need to verify a customer's information to prevent fraud. Security is a very important part of a bank clerk's responsibilities. Training is an important part of becoming a bank clerk. Most bank clerks receive on the job training to learn how to use the bank systems and follow its procedures. This training helps them understand how to process transactions, handle money, and provide good customer service. Bank clerks also learn about the different products and services the bank offers so they can explain them to customers. Bank clerks need to be good at math because they work with numbers all day. They need to count money, calculate balances, and check that transactions are correct. Even though they use calculators and computers, it's important for them to have strong math skills to avoid mistakes. Attention to detail is also crucial because a small error could lead to a big problem. Most bank clerks work full-time, and their hours depend on the bank schedule. Some banks are open on weekends or in the evenings, so clerks may work during these times as well. The job can be fast-paced, especially during busy times when many customers come to the bank. Bank clerks need to be able to handle pressure and stay calm while working quickly. One of the benefits of being a bank clerk is that it offers job security. Banks are always needed, and there is a steady demand for bank clerks. This job also offers opportunities for advancement. Bank clerks can move up to higher positions, such as branch manager or loan officer, with more experience and training. Many banks provide opportunities for their employees to take courses or earn certifications to help them grow in their careers. While the job of a bank clerk can be rewarding, it also comes with challenges. Dealing with large amounts of money requires a lot of responsibility. Bank clerks must be very careful to avoid mistakes and keep everything in order. They also need to be patient with customers, especially when answering questions or explaining complicated banking products. In conclusion, the job of a bank clerk is an important one. Bank clerks help customers with their banking needs, handle money, and make sure everything runs smoothly in the bank. They need to be good with numbers, pay attention to detail, and provide excellent customer service. With the right skills and training, a bank clerk can have a successful career in the banking industry.